We're hearing now that the officer who we saw so comprehensively grilled on the witness stand yesterday may actually have now been suspended from the case by the National Prosecuting Authority. What we discovered this morning via St. Julia's local radio